Welcome to another episode of Nostalgia is Corrosive. This is a quickie lesson in how to cut off pieces on the floor which you don't need. Cut off this piece here. This was over here. It was a vent outlet for the heater, and cut off this piece here, which was a hold down for a piece of furniture, and that one there. And I'm going to cut off another piece over here and over here. This here is a wonderful vibrating tool. It's pretty safe since it doesn't reciprocate or it's not circular. It tends to not throw the machine and possibly cut off your leg in the process. It just vibrates very fast. So it's a wonderfully safe tool for cutting metal or wood. But before we cut off a piece, to show you, there were bolts sticking out of here which hold in the propane tank underneath the chassis, and in order to get the bolts flush to the floor for preparation for the soundproofing insulation and the wood floor, I had to install carriage bolts. So we did that, 1, 2, 3, 4, and I moved this propane line to get it out of the way here because there's going to be probably a porta potty. I think I decided is going to go in a drawer over here underneath the dual burner range. So let's get started and cut off these pieces here. Beautiful. One more to go. We'll take the grinder and grind these down a little bit more so they're a little bit more flush. And that's it for today. Thanks for joining us. Peace out.